Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transfer crypto from Binance over to Coinbase. So if you guys are looking to transfer any crypto that you have on your Binance exchange over to the Coinbase exchange for whatever reason, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So first things first, you guys just want to go over to the Binance exchange application and open that up. Once you're in the Binance exchange here, you just want to make sure you're on your wallet. So you just want to go to the bottom right corner and click on wallets. And then you want to go to whatever coin that you want to transfer over to the Coinbase exchange. So let's just say, for example, I want to transfer some Bitcoin. I can just find Bitcoin right here. And once I find Bitcoin, I just want to click on it, then click on withdraw at the bottom left corner. And once you're on here, we just have to add the address for our Coinbase exchange wallet. So we're just going to go ahead and open up the Coinbase exchange application. And once you're on the Coinbase exchange here, all we have to do is click on this little blue circle. Once you click on that, we'll see at the bottom here, it says receive. So we're going to go ahead and click on receive. Then right here, you'll see the BTC wallet already pops up. Or if you need to change the coin to a different coin, you just want to click on where it says BTC wallet. And then it will load up with all the coins that you're able to add into Coinbase here. But once you find your coin, you just want to back out of here and just click on copy for the address right here. Once that's done, we can go back over to Binance. And then once we're back in Binance here, we just want to go ahead and paste the address right here. And for me, I have whitelisted addresses, so I can just go ahead and click on my Coinbase one here. But you should just be able to paste yours. And then all you want to do is load in the network available for your token that you're using. So in my case, it's going to be Bitcoin. Once you guys have that in here, you just want to put your amount that you want to add. So you can just go ahead and put your amount. So I'll just go ahead and put the minimum amount. And then, of course, once you're done that, you can just go ahead to the bottom right corner where you see withdraw. Click on withdraw, and then your transaction should take about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on what coin you're transferring. And then you can just head back over to your Coinbase wallet or your Coinbase exchange, and then your coins will be there that you've transferred over. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to transfer crypto from Binance over to Coinbase. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.